Today we are going to make a video of hands-on computer class 4 chapter 8 discussion. This chapter, this is my humble submission, suggestion, instruction to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel as for science, computer, mathematics and yoga. Now we are starting chapter 8. In this chapter we will discuss about internet as a tool, class 4 hands-on, chapter 8. Internet as a pool of information. Here you are seeing internet is doing like a pool of information. After the completion of this chapter, learners will be able to appreciate internet as a powerful tool, connect to other computers through internet, learn to search internet and validate searched information, download the searched information. Introduction. Internet has changed our lives drastically. We all know that it can be used for various purposes. In this chapter, we will learn how to connect to other computers through internet and how to search, validate and download information from the internet. Here you are seeing this amazing figure. Now we all know that a popular game played around the world named as Chinese Whisper. In this game, we are passing the message from one child to another. In a similar way, messages are passed from one computer to another using internet. It means what is an internet? Internet can be defined as a huge collection of computers interconnected to each other across the world. It is a great place to find information which is available through different websites. It means internet. Through this you can study also. A website is a collection of related information stored in different pages. Try to learn this definition. What is a website? Website is a collection of related information stored in different pages. Here one important thing, every website has an address. We can visit a website by typing that address in a web browser. You are doing in mobile this thing. Google Chrome is one of the most common web browser used for visiting websites. Now usage of internet for searching information, in communication, for shopping, for entertainment, in education, for airline and railway ticketing. These are the uses of internet. These are the uses of internet for airline and railway ticketing. Now next thing we want to discuss, and that thing is activity. Here in this activity you have to write booking railway ticket, booking airplane ticket, for purchasing, for selling, watching movies, listening music. Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Mantra. Connecting to other computers through internet. It means you can connect other computer also using internet. Now there are different ways through which we can communicate on internet depending on our requirement. Some of the types of communication technology used on internet includes email, instant messaging, video conferencing, social networking, website, etc. Next question, what is email? Email, electronic mail. It is used to send and receive the message in electronic form. What is email? It is the message which is in the electronic form. Some commonly used websites are email are gmail.com, rediffmail.com, yahoo.com, etc. Here there is one precaution. 13 years of age before an ID can be created an email. 30 years of age before an ID can be created. It means they will complete 13 years. After that they can use email and they can create an email. This is the precaution. This is the condition so that they can create an email. Further, instant messaging used for online chat. One can send message and receive immediate response. However, for using it, we need a smartphone with internet connection. That is your mobile smartphone. Yes, of course. However, I need to download any one of the applications like WhatsApp, Viber, Allo, etc. for instant messaging. Here you are seeing Talk, Skype, Yahoo, etc. are the for instant messaging. You can use this application WhatsApp, Viber, Allo, etc. Now next thing, you have to write email. This is false email. You should write your email. Audio call, video conferencing. Now next thing, video conferencing. While using a smartphone, you are doing video conferencing. Now definition. Video conferencing is a face-to-face communication among people sitting at different locations. What things? Sitting at different locations. Video conferencing is a face-to-face communication. It means that person will be in front of your face also in mobile, among people sitting at different locations such as different cities, boundaries, or even continents connected to each other through internet. This is the video conferencing. Now we can use it by downloading applications like Skype, FaceTime, etc. on a smartphone, computer, and even on a smart TV. Internet enabled social networking sites. Now next thing, social networking websites where people may connect to their friends, relatives online and share their ideas, information, image, pictures, events, activity, etc. Some examples of commonly used social networking sites are Facebook, Orkut, Twitter, etc. Can I create my account on it? No, as these sites require everyone to be at least 30 years old. I have already told this is the condition. If you are more than 13-year-olds, you can create an email. Now next thing, yes, it is not safe. Even grown-ups should keep following points in mind when using these sites. Do not share your personal information. Do not talk to strangers. Add only known persons to your friend list. Share your pictures carefully and share them with your friends only. These are the certain conditions if you want to use social networking. Now activity, video conferencing, social websites, Instagram, email, WhatsApp, instant messaging, searching internet. Next point, we have to discuss about searching internet. For this, we have to use a search engine. You know, your familiar known search engine is Google. Search engine is a website used to search information on the internet based on the keywords entered. The words typed by the user in order to search the information are known as keywords. you are seeing Google is a search engine. Using Google, you can type the keyword Gulliver in Lilliput story in the Google text book. The phrases highlighted in blue color can be clicked to visit the particular site. These are called hyperlinks to websites. Google, year 16 years 205 days. It is written. France, Japan, China, America, 12,004 kilometers. Google, Bing, Yahoo. These are the search engines generally used by student, people. Now next thing, further, some of the most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, Ask.com. Keep this thing in mind. These are the search engines through which you can search anything of the world. Here are certain tips that will help you in searching information. Be as precise as possible in selecting keyword. You may use 2 or more keywords in your search. Always write the correct spelling. You must use more than one search engine. I am always preferring about correct spelling. You should also use this thing. Certain guidelines that you must follow while searching information on internet. Always begin your search from known websites. Check out the date of last updation. Always check purpose of the website. Try to check details of the website owner. Try to verify the information from other sources like newspaper, library, etc. Always check 3 or more websites. Don't just trust your first source. This is also important thing. If you will blindly faith on website, it may be possible your answer will be wrong. You will get wrong answer. So you should always check more than one website. It will be good if you are checking 2 or more websites. Downloading search engine. We can also download the required information from internet to our computer. We can download text, PDF files, images, audios, video, etc. from internet and save these files on our computer. There is no problem. This thing you are knowing. And PDF. Here, what is the full form of PDF? Read this carefully because sometimes it is asked and nobody is giving answer. So read this. PDF, portable document format. I am repeating this thing. Portable document format is a file format for saving document files. What is PDF? Portable document format. Now next thing. Remember that the information searched and downloaded can be different forms like text, image, audio, video, etc. You know this thing. To download the text information, you may copy, paste the information directly in your document presentation, etc. Sometimes the information is present in the form of PDF file. In that case, download PDF option is available, which can be clicked to download the PDF file. To download image, right click on the desired image and select save image as option. A dialog box will appear. Select the folder where you want the image to be stored. Later you can use this image the way you want, like inserting in a document, presentation, movie, etc. You are knowing how to download an image. And now next thing, and that is assessment activity. Answer is here. Google, Bing and Yahoo. First answer. Question number 5. 8. Video conferencing. Used for online chat, live chat. Phrase using which we search information on internet, keywords. term used to obtain the information from internet to our computer. Search engine. Search engine by Microsoft Bing. Most popular search engine Google. I have already discussed about these things. Sending and receiving the message in electronic for email. You are familiar with this thing. I hope you are knowing too much about this thing. And now finally, this is my humble submission, instruction and suggestion to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics, yoga and yoga videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.